Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, today we will learn lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida Izhar. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 12 is what is Izhar? Viewers, Izhar is a rule. Izhar is what how we pronounce Izhar. If any halke letter comes after a noon sakin or tanween, then Izhar will be done. If any halke letter comes after noon sakin or tanween, then Izhar will be done. How it happens we will learn in details in this video. First of all, we learn that what is sakina letter or silent letter. As we have already learned in previous videos, in previous lessons, that this sign is called Jazm sign, and a letter which has this Jazm sign on it is called Sakin sign, Sakina letter or silent letter. Any letter which has this Jazm sign is called silent letter or Sakina letter. And how we pronounce Sakina letter or silent letter? The silent letter which has Jazm sign on it is pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. I repeat, the silent letter which has Jazm sign on it will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. We will see the examples in this video. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this because Noon, the letter Noon has this sign. This is Jazm sign or Sakin sign. A letter which has this sign is called Sakin sign or Sakina letter or silent letter. Here Noon is Sakin letter or silent letter. And how many halqiya letters are there? What is halqiya letters? There are 6 halqiya letters and they are Ha, Ghain, Ha, Ain, Ha, Hamza. Because in Izhar we have learned that any halqiya letter comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. Izhar rule will happen. And how they pronounce halqiya letters? They have different makhraj, different pronunciation. We will see in details in this video as well. Hamza Ha will be pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain Ha will be pronounced from the middle part of the throat, and Ghain Kha will be pronounced from the top part of the throat. I again repeat, Hamza Ha will be pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain Ha will be pronounced from the middle part of the throat, and Ghain Kha will be pronounced from the top part of the throat. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is Harakat, Tanween, the letters of Madda, vertical or Khadi Harakat, the letters of Leen, the letters of Kalkala and the Sakin letters. We will see all these rules in this video as well. Let's start. Mim, Noon, Zir, Min, Hamza, Zabar, A, Min, A, Jim, Zabar, Ja, Min, Aja, Lam, to Zir, Lin, Min, Ajalin. Here we learn Izhar rule, and here is Izhar rule is happen. How this happen? Izhar, according to Izhar rule, if there is halkiya letter comes after Noon Sakin, there is halkiya letter Hamza comes after Noon Sakin. This is Noon Sakin. Noon is Sakin here because Noon has Jazm sign or Sakin sign. And this is the Izhar rule happening here. There is, I again repeat, there is halkiya letter comes after Noon Sakin. Then Izhar will be done here. Recite like this: Min Ajalin, Min Ajalin. The next is Mim, Noon, Zir, Min, Ha, Alif, Zabar, Ha, Min, Ha, Dal, to Zir, Din, Min, Ha, Din. Here also Izhar will be done. Izhar rule will happening here because according to Izhar rule, what say Izhar rule, if any halkiya letter comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. There is Ha from halkiya letter comes after Noon Sakin because Noon has Sakin here. Noon has Sakin sign or Jazm sign. Noon is Sakin here. So Izhar will be done. Recite like this: Min, Hadin. And also there is Zabar before Alif Sakin. This is Alif Madda, and Madda letter we pronounce by stretching up to one Alif or two Harakat. Recite like this: Min, Hadin, Min, Hadin. The next is Mim, Noon, Zir, Min, Ain, Zabar, A, Min, A, Lam, Zabar, La, Min, Ala, Qaf, to Zir, Qin, Min, Alaqin, Min, Alaqin. Here Izhar will also happening here because there is halkiya letter Ain comes after Noon Sakin. Noon is Sakin here because Noon has Jazm sign or Sakin sign. And there is Mustaliya letter Qaf will be pronounced with heavy voice in every condition. And this is 2 Zir Tanween. Recite like this: Min Alaqin, Min Alaqin. The next is Mim, Noon, Zir, Min, Ha, Zabar, Ha, Min, Ha. Kaf ya zer ki, min haki, mim to zer min hakimin, min hakimin. There is also izhar will be done because there is halkia letter ha comes after noon sakin. Because noon is sakin here, noon has jazm sign or sakin sign on it, and there is z before ya sakin. This is ya li, ya madda, and madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: min hakimin, min hakimin. The next is mim noon zer min, ghain zabar gha, min gha, fa waw pesh fu, min ghafu, ra to zerin, min ghafurin, min ghafurin. Here izhar rule also will be happening because there is halkia letter ghain come after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin because noon has jazm sign or sakin sign. So izhar will be done here, and there is pesh before vaw sakin. This is vaw madda, and madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: min ghafurin, min ghafurin. The next is mim noon zer min, kha waw zabar khaw, min khaw, fa to zer fin, min khawfin. Here izhar will be happening because there is halkia letter come kha after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin because noon has sakin sign or jazm sign, and there is zabar before vaw sakin. This is vaw leen, and leen letter we pronounce without stretching or without sudden pausing the voice. Recite like this: min khawfin, min khawfin, min khawfin. This is the lesson number 12 part 1. In coming parts, inshallah, we will learn more example about izhar. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.